That entire section is unstable.
The structural integrity here is failing fast.
Get that bulldozer moving faster. We need those generators online now.
Watch the starboard side, debris incoming. Watch the beams on the left side, they look unstable.
Got it. Keep the excavator clear of that section. Cutting complete. Beam is clear.
Roger that, Colossus actual.
Actual.
Lower the patch.
Hook is secure on point 7. Copy that. Taking up the slack now. Watch for debris.
Bridge, this is the commander. The suction risk is critical.
Initiate counterbalance measures immediately. Sectors G and H are failing.
Keep hammering, it's not holding.
We need more wedges over here. We need more wedges over here.
Keep turning. We need to shift the ballast.
It's almost clear. Watch the pressure gauge.
Status report indicates green, but we have continuous seepage at section 4. The auxiliary pumps are running at max capacity.
Auxiliary line is down! Get it reconnected now! We are losing the carrier!
Colossus, slow your roll. We are ready for the lines. Lines away, watch the water.
Seal looks good on the lower quadrant.
Confirmed. Pressure stabilizing.
Too thin.
Too thin.
The replacement of the torpedo wound requires millimeter precision, and searing the new Colossus plate aligns perfectly with the battle-worn hull.
Perfect. The weld is completely sealed.
The Colossus receives her new heart, a testament to modern engineering.
Torque wrench engaged. Reading green. Keep going.
All right, easy now, bring it left. Left a little more, steady. Looks good, set it down. All right, easy on the mortar, set the arch brick now.
It's in.
Pressure valves clear, we are ready for light off. All right, throw the breaker for this section. Power stabilized. The LEDs are hot.
With the new ventilation system fully engaged, the musty air is finally being purged from the Colossus, providing the carrier with new lungs.
Pressure is steady at 200 psi.
Confirmed. The new system is fully operational.
As the dry dock floods, the USS Colossus slowly lifts from the keel blocks, reborn and ready for the ocean once again.
Green across the board, Chief. Outstanding. We are fully online.
All stations, launch sequence engaged. Clear the deck.
Roger. Confirm launch.
Clear the deck for the forklift.
Next pallet coming over the side. Watch your spacing on the line.